Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from myppctraining.com. Wanted to throw this quick video together today to show you how to link a Google Analytics account to your AdWords account, so you can import all your information over and stuff like that. Really simple stuff. I'm going to dive right into it. If you're logged into your AdWords account, great. Go into Google, search Google Analytics, or just go directly to their website. I think they changed it now to marketing platform or something like that. So we'll sign in. And we should already be in because we're in our email. If you don't have an analytics account, just set one up. It's going to be the same thing. You'll see this after you're done setting it up. And the first thing we're going to do is create new account. If you don't have an analytics account, if you want to create a new one, doesn't really matter. Go through the process here, create one. Then you'll see a screen like this after you create one. Choose XYZ Roofing. Alright, so now you should see this. So if you're logged into your AdWords account, if you already have AdWords, you should see this with your company that you want to link to AdWords in here. That's where you should be looking at, all across. Or if you have to create a new a new analytics account, go through the process of doing that like I just showed you, then you should see this same thing as well once you're doing. So here we'll do XYZ Roofing. It's a demo campaign we're running, and you'll see this. All right, so the easiest thing to do is right here. Come under the middle column, Property, Google Ads Linking, click that. You can see we're already linked to it, but if we weren't, we would just do this, Link New Group, and you should see it selected underneath here, your AdWords account that's linked to this email. So I probably should have clarified that from the beginning. The email that you're using, which I think it set up AdWords 2018 at Gmail, is this one. That has to be linked to the AdWords account. All right. So that's how you have to do it. So this AdWords account is set up AdWords 2018 at gmail.com. It's our demo account. And you have to set up analytics with that email as well. So then you'll be able just to link it and hit continue, and you should see it like this after it's linked. And that's really it. That's all you have to do to link in a Google Analytics account to your AdWords. That's it. You just come down here, Google Ads, do linking, whatever. And then the second half of that, just to verify, is go into your AdWords account, come up to Tools, Linked Accounts, Google Analytics, hit Details, and you should see the link right here for XYZ Roofing. And you have your views here. Make sure that you're on for linking and you're on for importing site metrics. And then obviously you can unlink it here or do whatever you have to do. And that's really it. Okay? So that's the very, very basic how you just link an analytics account to an AdWords account. Now, if you want to import goals and stuff like that, it gets a little more complex. So I'll make a separate video for importing goals from analytics into AdWords. But for now, this is how you just link to accounts. Most important takeaway from this video: make sure the email address that you're using for your AdWords account is what you're using for your analytics account, or it's related to it, so you can pair it up with your AdWords Analytics or whatever. Really important, okay? If you have any questions or anything like that, drop them in the comments below this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like and share this video if you can. I really appreciate that. And check out the links in the description. I've put some cool stuff in there for you guys, including a link to our Facebook group, a link to our free AdWords optimization guide, and a link to our paid course, which is called Google Ads Training Academy, where we just go crazy in-depth into creating, running, and managing AdWords campaigns like a professional. All right, so check that out. And besides that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.